Want to use your Android phone as a second display of your PC via HDMI or USB cable? It's very simple. So here's how to use your phone as a second monitor, whether you have a desktop or a laptop. So here are the things that you'll need. First of all, you'll need to install the Next Camera app from Google Play Store. The reason we're using this is because it's totally free to use and has a ton of features. After installing this, you'll also need an HDMI capture card like this one, and you can get one for real cheap online. It will have a USB interface, and a Type-C adapter for smartphones should be included. On the other end, it will have an HDMI port. And you'll need to connect an HDMI cable to this capture card, the other end of which will go into your PC. So if you have a desktop, you can plug it into the PC's HDMI port, and if you don't have multiple ports, then you can also use an HDMI splitter. And if you have a laptop, then you can just connect it straight to the HDMI port. What if your laptop doesn't have one? Then you can get a USB to HDMI adapter. So, with all this out of the way, launch the app on your smartphone, then connect the Type-C interface of the capture card. It will ask you for some permissions. You'll need to grant it access to the permissions. Then it will also detect your capture card. That will say no signal, just like here. So now go ahead and connect it to your PC. In a second, your smartphone will start mirroring your PC. Voila, you have done it. Now if you go to your PC's display settings, you'll also be able to use your smartphone as a secondary display. And with this app, you can also zoom in or even record the screen. That's how you can use your smartphone as a display to your PC. And that's how you can use your smartphone as a PC display. Hope this helped. Stay tuned for more.